Okay, next job we're going to install the neck. Now, as we know, this is a bolt-on neck. So what we're going to do is fit the neck into the pocket like so, the edge in first and press down. And I'm going to flip the guitar over. And I'll just bring the camera down, sorry. Okay, so bolt-on necks come with a neck plate like this. I'm just going to put that in place. And then I'm just going to put the screws in loosely. Now I normally install these screws either with a very light setting on my drill or by manual screwdriver. In this case I'm going to use my drill, but as I said, I'm putting that down to quite a low setting. Now what I normally do is install each of these screws to about, not terribly tight. I don't want one screw pulling the plate a certain way. Okay, take the publicity. Okay, so don't over tighten to begin with. Get these mostly installed.